What's up, everybody? It's your boy Frank the Tank from Bangin Gears on YouTube and Bangin Gears Garage on Facebook. And what a beautiful day, day 3 turned out to be here in beautiful Ocean City, Maryland at Cruisin Ocean City. Started off a little cool, got a little warm, now it's a little breezy. But I spent the entire day at the convention center. That's what this video is going to be about. And then I also headed up to the inlet and got my picture taken with Joe and Amanda Martin from Iron Resurrection on Motor Trend TV. As usual, with video 3, we're going to be giving away a Bangin Gears baseball cap. In order to be eligible, you need to subscribe, like, and comment on this video on YouTube, and that puts you in the running to win the gear. Yesterday, the giveaway was a Bangin Gears fleece, and then Wednesday was another baseball cap. So, which means tomorrow's video, Sunday morning's video, will be another Bangin Gears fleece, so do not forget that Sunday morning video and your chance to win a fleece. If you don't follow us on Bangin Gears Garage on Facebook, please do, check it out. If you're down here and taking pictures, we'd love it if you would share it on our group page. It's open to the public, and basically anything goes as long as it's automotive related. Other than that, it's time to get some dinner. Hope you had a great day. If you're not here, you're really missing out. Don't forget that Sunday video, and we'll catch you tomorrow on Bangin Gears.